Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. This week's recipe, chunky white chocolate and macadamia nut cookies. Buttery, nutty, and super chewy makes this cookie delicious and perfect for summer baking. The recipe will be linked in the description below. Let's get started. I'm going to start off with the wet ingredients, starting with brown sugar, granulated sugar, melted butter. Give that a nice mix. Add 1 large egg at room temperature and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Dry ingredients next, baking soda, salt, and all-purpose flour. Mixing in the wet and the dry ingredients in batches to combine fully. Next, we'll go in the chopped macadamia nuts and the white chocolate chips. Go ahead and mix well to combine. And this is a chunky cookie dough, and it will come together nicely. On your lined baking tray, about 5 cookies per sheet. Using an ice cream scoop, go ahead and scoop a walnut size cookie dough and line those up. Go ahead and use the bottom of a measuring cup or a glass to press down on each cookie, creating a flat surface for the toppings. Top with a little bit of macadamia nut and a little bit of white chocolate chip, being sure to press down. Then bake 7 minutes on the top rack, flipping, bake 7 minutes on the bottom rack, and finally cool completely until set. And there you have it, thin, chewy, buttery, nutty white chocolate chip and macadamia nut cookies. Absolutely delicious for summertime baking. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know how your recipe comes out in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Bye for now.